Papunta na kami sa counter ng Henan kasi nag-arrange kami ng transfers. Counter 10. We're staying at Henan Palm, so in-avail na rin namin yung transfer service nila from the airport to the hotel. Touchdown, Boracay! Pupunta na kami doon sa shuttle, papunta sa hotel. We're here at Henan Palm. So it's now 7:56 a.m. And 8 o'clock pa daw mag-open yung check-in counter. Tapos, kapag may available room naman daw, pwede na kami pumasok. Pero, kung wala, 3 p.m. pa. So, 8 a.m. pa namin malalaman. So, naghihintay lang kami dito yan. Just walking around Henan Palm. Ay, hindi ko pala na-explain why we're here. So, we're here for work. And, Daryl tagged along. Since naghihintay pa, pupunta muna kami sa beachfront. Hanap kami ng makakainan ng breakfast. Umuulan! Boracay pero Tagaytay vibes. Bora pero Tagaytay vibes.
Snow at the beach.
Umuulan kasi.
Beautiful.
Kasi for reference, kakatapos lang ng bagyong Christine.
But it's coming down.
Tapos parating si Leon. So,
Just like snow
ayun.
at the beach.
Kaya ganito yung outfitan dito sa Boracay.
Naka-hoodie siya sa beach.
Naka-hoodie ako. Umuulan, but we made it to the beach. And si Mommy. Pero tingnan nyo yung hangin kasi, guys. Look at that. Snow on the beach. Woo! Beach! Boracay! Boracay pero naka-hoodie. Boracay! Kasi ayaw ko magkasakit sa ulan. Kasi wala pa kaming room. So, technically, hindi pa naman ako dapat mabasa. Kaya, ang haggard! Okay, ito na yung water. O, diba? Naka-sandals pa ako. Boracay! Yan, ito yung Boracay. May waves. Kasi nga, umuulan, kakabagyo. Mommy! Sakto lang. Welcome drinks! This is our room here in Henan Palm. So, ito deluxe room siya. So, good for 2 lang talaga. Pero, pwede ring good for 3. Kasi you can request na 1 queen bed and 1 single bed. And then, paglabas mo, ang ganda ng view. So, ito yung balcony. Oh! Ayan, bigat. And then, when you open, you have a view of the pool. Yan na yung lahat ng ibang rooms. Ganda! Daryl! Bora, buti naman, umaraw na. Kanina kasi umuulan. So, ayan. Boracay sunset. Tinitay namin yung sunset. It's now 4 p.m. Ganda! Yan, parang hindi against the light. That's Bora for you! Bora 2024! We're just chilling here, laying on the sand. Wala. Bawal naman mag-swimming eh. May no swimming flags. Tapos pag may lumalayong konti, nagwi-whistle yung lifeguard. So, we're just chilling, enjoying the Boracay sand. And here, salty air, salty air, salty hair. Don't care. Sandy toes, sandy butt, sandy bottom. So there, and we're waiting for the sunset. Boracay's famous sunset. Not sure. Guys, ang lamig. Sobrang windy. Ang lamig nung hangin. Tapos ang dark ng clouds. Wala yung famous Boracay sunset na nagiging orangey pink yung sky. It's Nimbus Columbus clouds. Oh, yung Nimbus Columbus clouds na. Yung basta yung may pinaka-heavy na rain. No. Oh. Parang it's so dark and heavy na bigla na lang siyang bubukos. Wala yung orange sunset. Boracay sunset! That's it. Yun lang ang kaya niya today. Really and I just took a chance here in Tres Amigos. Wala lang, naghahanap kasi siya ng nachos. So, ito yung nakita namin may nachos. And in fairness, masarap. Sarap yung food. Hi.